Optical instruments. This presentation is on optical instruments. Key, name of the instrument, general information, what problem did that instrument solve, picture of the instrument, picture of where the instrument is used, advantages and disadvantages, bibliography. Chapter 2. Microscopes. A microscope is a scientific instrument invented by Zacharias Janssen and Hans Janssen in the year of 1590. The function of a microscope is to see things which are too small to be seen by the naked eye. The microscope uses two or more magnifying lenses to work properly. Before the time of the microscope, we could only guess or estimate the size or the properties of tiny objects. The microscope solved the problem with its magnification lens, which magnify the tiny objects and make them visible to our eyes, so we can view them and determine their characteristics and properties. Robert Hooke discovered cells by studying the structure of honey through the microscope. Atoms, molecules and quarks were discovered using nothing but microscopes. Microscopes produce an enlarged vision of a smaller object. Those enlarged images help us to study small and tiny organisms, particles, etc. Advantages: you can see small objects more clearly compared to the naked eye. A microscope can look deeper into objects, as microscopes can go into a deeper magnification in which you can see the objects you are viewing even more closely than the smaller magnification. There is a types of microscope known as light microscope, which is lighter and cheaper than most other microscopes. Disadvantages: if you are in a very high magnification, then the image will be more blurry than the image with less magnification. Microscopes are very expensive, so only a few people can buy it or use it.